to make Goofer's dust. Hello my witchy peeps and family, it's your sister witch or high priestess, and today I want to talk about how to make Goofer's dust. And what Goofer dust is a traditional hexing material and practice of the African American tradition of Hoodoo. And normally it comes from the southeastern region of the United States of America. And when we are talking about Goofer's dust, it can generally refer to any powder used to cast a spell, especially if it's a harmful one in nature, but specifically refers to a concoction of natural ingredients that can be used to cause harm, trouble, or even kill an enemy. Some historical sources, such as some of the interviews conducted by Harry Hyatt, indicate Goofer's dust can be synonymous with graveyard dirt. And now we're going to get more into what exactly is in this Goofer's dust and why is it known to be so potent magically and spiritually. I know that many of you don't have time to make your own Goofer's dust, so I do offer it on my website, which is spiritualsuppliesandcandles.myshopify.com. I have it there, an ounce for about $4.25. So if that interests you, then go to my website and get that. When you are making Goofer's dust, there's normally 3 main ingredients in there, which is venomous snake skin, sulfur, and graveyard dirt. Now, there are many different recipes, many different ways to make it, and here I'm going to show you and talk about just a few more things you can add to make your own Goofer's dust. Subsidiary ingredients may include powdered snake skin heads and also black pepper, snails, grayish powdery surface herbs such as mullein and sage, and also what a lot of people will use now in more modern day times is magnetic sand, which is also black in color, and also black salt is used. So you can critique these different extra ingredients into your Goofer's dust and make it your own. I want to thank you all for stopping by and watching this video. Please share, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bells so you'll find out when my next videos will be out. And I would say that you really need to wear gloves. If you have breathing problems, it would be good that you wear a mask when you're handling Goofer's dust. Even if you're trying to make it for yourself, I would only advise maybe the seasoned practitioners, or for those of you who have worked with more spells that are more on the left hand side or darker hand side, so they say, so make sure that make sure that you're safe when you're doing this. Of course, like I said, a lot of you don't have time to make your own Goofer's dust, so I do offer that in my shop. And as always, in the description box below, be sure to check that out. I will have some links on the products that you'll need and that you're looking for on my website, and I'll have the source where I found some of this information from that I would like to share with you as you go along your journey doing your research. And as always, you can contact me at highpriestesskathie@yahoo.com or highpriestesskathie@gmail.com. And I just want to thank you all for watching. Okay, bye bye.